coaching thought for the day. So I just left a meeting of teachers that I have worked with previously, and there's some new teachers on the team. And we were going over some work that I share with this team for some data collection. And, I went through the whole thing and said, if you guys ever have any questions, just let me know. I'm going to follow up with the new teachers to the team here this week and whatever. And there was a teacher in the room who said, and feel free to stop by her office anytime and ask her any questions. She will stop whatever she's doing and she will help you, and she will be happy to do it, and she will never make you feel stupid for asking a question. I just love that so much. And so I don't know, this veteran teacher who shared that, I don't know what her full experience has been with having a coach before. But what I do know from that statement is at some point there has been someone who has made her feel stupid for asking a question. And so as coaches, it is essential that we never make someone feel stupid for not knowing a question. There is so much in education to know, and I don't know it all. Nobody knows it all. And so always being a learner, always willing to ask questions, always willing to answer questions in a way that does not demean teachers ever is a really important thing for coaches. So that's the thought for today.